Well, you done me in your bed, I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted, but fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my best. And nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's against my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and you find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Don't you want to come on? Scooch over closer, dear, and I will nibble your ear. I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror. I'm bending over backwards just to try and see it clearer, but my breath fogged out the glass. I saw I drew in your face and I laughed. I guess what I'm saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of any tease and just a ghost season. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you'll see. Look into your heart and you find the sky's yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours.